Good morning, guys. We are now in Laos. This is Eduardo.
ดีใช่ไหมยาไหมครับชุดจะมีเซนบาทเลย
Pero, how much is it?
วันเซนคนที่บาท
40 baht. 40.
โชคมาแล้วครับ100 เดียวครับ100 เดียวโอ้ยเอาอย่าง100 เดียว
Goodbye, Thailand. Hello, Laos. We are in Laos now. Good morning, guys. We are now in Laos. This is Kamsavat railway station. So we traveled from Bangkok to Vientiane. It's 11 hours and 25 minutes, I guess. Hey guys, now we're at Vientiane railway station. So kanina pagdating namin sa from Bangkok, Thailand, sumakay kami ng train from Bangkok to Vientiane, but sa Kamsavat railway station na siya. So bago kami mag-cross ng border, immigration, Thai immigration, so exit stamp. And pagpasok naman, nag-immigration ulit. So, Lao immigration na, nag-fill up, and then stamp ulit ng passport. So, now, after namin doon sa Kamsavat, we had our lunch kanina. And now, we're just waiting for our train to Vang Vieng. So, yung punta talaga namin dito sa Lao is Vang Vieng, kung saan magka-hike kami tomorrow. We already have our booked hotel sa Vang Vieng. So, we're gonna sleep there for 2 nights and 3 days. So, tomorrow is 30th. So, July 1 naman, balik na kami ng Thailand. So, we'll update you guys. So, now we're just waiting for our train. Guys, alam niyo ba, sobrang amazed kami dito kasi this is just Vientiane's railway station, but it looks like an airport, and it's so much better actually than other airports of Philippines. Look at that. Look at that. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya, guys. It's just ano lang naman, 1 floor. Ay, actually, meron sa taas. It's 2 floors. Pero sobrang laki niya. Tapos sobrang linis. May mga food din na binibenta. Coffee, Pan Cafe. I think that one is the Pan Thai Cafe. Yung ininom namin the other day sa zoo. Daw coffee. And ano pa? Meron sila dito ng dairy cream. Yung food on the go. Wow, ano kaya yan? Gusto ko ng dairy cream. Gusto ko ng something na makakain. I think I'm gonna buy some food. This is our train, guys, to Vang Vieng, Lao.
สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นรถเนื่องจากการจอดรถอยู่สถานี
请您按照车票对号入位。携带物品请行李架上背包侧兜内的水杯、雨伞等物品掉落。Sadly, all the specified routes were the luggage room, far end of the coach. 女士们、先生们，刚上车的旅客，请按车票对号入座。
Hey guys, this is Vang Vieng Lao at 6:30 p.m. Very sanag. Nagsanag pa. Do 4 p.m. sa Philippines. We're looking for ano guys, restaurants. For our dinner. Time check, 7 o'clock p.m. in Lao. What's that? What's that?
Gusto mo dyan?
Chorizo?
Sabi, feeling ko hindi mo daw gusto ang dry. Nakadahan. Nakadahan.
Duck.
Tapos,
Rice noodle? Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of rice noodle. Anong patty?
then, kinalima na. Guys,
And then you add the duck. Is it a boneless duck?
No, it's not. It's like some dip.
Okay. I think that's a sauce.
Mm.
Put it in the sauce. Dip, dip, dip. Ito bang? Ito bang?
Ng ice.
Beer Lao.
Ice. Juicy.
Ding! Ito bang? Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Hello guys, look. Change outfit. Bumili kami ng damit guys. Because we're going to the lagoon. Blue Lagoon 1. So, I hope it's still blue guys. Yes, since it's raining. I hope it's clear. But I think so many people. Where is it? Here? We bought this guys for only 180. 180. Wala mo rin siya. Hindi man buron. Nasi mo siya. Wala mo rin siya.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Wala mo sigit ng goro. Take a look bro. Higa ura. Alam naman namin umulan. Tingnan niyo yung Blue Lagoon. Brown Lagoon. Oh my god. So what should we do here? I think ano na lang kami, dip na lang kami ng saan namin. Oh my god. Blue Lagoon. Ako na. Tarabay kasi dito. Tambo. Takit lang. Iguan ko. Take ko picture. Pagkaw sa babaw. Matungko ako rin dyan. Sige. Tungko ako dyan. Ito naman magkapalapit ka natin. Hey guys, today we're at Vieng Tara. It's the famous restaurant here in Vang Vieng Lao, and they actually have like a hotel. So if you want to stay here, this is a good place. Although this is far from the center of Vang Vieng. If you want a peaceful place, you stay here. It's so nice. Pwede lang dito. Oh my god.
Ano?
Ano ba? Ang favorite ko, ano pagkain ba yun?